I guess I'll hold like this. What's up, guys? It's LochieCar here, back in another video, and today, or tonight actually, we're going to explore some weird falls apparently in Mount Cootha. It does actually have like a few people have committed suicide, double murder, or some shit. There's like a whole article about it.
No word, it's haunted.
Yeah, I don't believe it's actually haunted, but there has been reports of suicide in this area. We don't know exactly where, and yes, we actually have an EMF reader. It works. Not sure how well, because it's like some cheap off-brand one, so I'm not entirely sure if it's gonna work exactly the way I think it is, but we'll give it a go. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so before we actually get started into this video, I want to show you a few things about this EMF reader. We need to test this theory being at home, as I'm pre-editing right now, so I'm going to show you guys and demonstrate as a legitimate device, and like try and debunk everything as possible, as much as I can. So you push that, I'm not going to have anything, do that, so nothing's around it other than the keyboard and stuff, and it's freaking out, right? So this is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to pick up electromagnetic fields, anything electronic, I guess. So it's freaking out like where it is, and if I go close to the screen, it's like freaking out like bizarre, right? Not sure about my PC. It is electronic, so it is picking it up. While it's freaking out, I'll just turn it off for a minute. I'll show you something else as well. There's a book that it came with. Basically just shows you like what an EMF reader does. All you need to do is just go and Google what an EMF reader is. For those who play Phasmophobia or any ghost hunting games, you'll know exactly what an EMF reader is, what it does. So yeah, and with this area, there was no service, so it doesn't matter what provider you were with, Telstra, Optus, Vodafone, no matter what, you had no service, no nothing. So we couldn't call, we couldn't do anything, and the group actually split up at the start of the video, and yeah, it was just not good. It was good and not good at the same time, but me and Sissy wanted to zone in and see, is this device real? Does it work in an environment like that? And my answer, kind of. Yes, kind of, because I'm a skeptic, so I want to see if it works legitimately in person. Like, I do watch Sam and Colby. I've mentioned them a few times in a couple of my videos. Ghost Files, like those type of channels. I've watched them. Like, I believe them, but I also want to like get to experience those things myself. So let's just turn it again, and I'll show you. Like, it's a legit device. So when we go in here, it goes green, right? And this is like, it's really weird, right? So it's flickering like that now, and then as soon as I go towards the microwave, I point directly at it. I don't know why, but my camera unfocuses every time this happens. But yeah, you can kind of see that it goes freakishly weird. It's like a little radar, right? I turn away, I get nothing, and then come back around, and then it starts freaking out like bizarre. See? So every time, I don't know why my camera unfocuses, but yeah, you get the idea. We go to the TV. It shouldn't really do anything, as the TV's not on. So yep, doesn't do anything because it's not on. Go to our power board, kind of, but not really. But yeah, you get the whole idea out of this, right? So EMF reader, it's a cheap device. You can get between $20 and $40. Pretty cheap. You can get it on Amazon. I don't know where else you can get it, but yeah, just showing you it's a legit device. And you'll see the difference when you watch this video. It can turn out weird. That's all I'm gonna say. The lights, they do flicker, but I'm not sure because Again, this is the first time I've used it properly in that type of environment. I think there was power lines nearby. Not entirely sure. You would have to Google the area and find out where all the power lines are, or any electronic devices. I did show you like what it reacts like with the phone. I'll just turn it on again to show you. Like, obviously it's gonna freak out weird because it's right in front of my screen, like the PC screen. But you'll see in the video, I did like show you what it reacts like to it. Like, just look at a phone, it doesn't do much. So yeah, we'll go and play the video. So just basic entry. I don't know exactly where that crime was, but according to the photo of the video, there was a few cops sitting right here somewhere, and it was over in the bush. Oi, guys, what up? Okay. Oh my god, they're a bit slow. Slaughter Falls.
On the rain.
You got the Ghost Rider?
Yep.
She does. The EMF reader, you mean?
Yeah, same thing. Yeah, I'm walking ahead of everyone.
Nah. I bought it. Okay, yeah, we found a tree and it says that, so is that like the person that committed suicide or something? But I really wouldn't know. This person, I'm assuming they would have put it here for a reason, for someone committing suicide. Benjamin Weeping Fig, either that or it's just like a tree name. But if you want to come out here and talk to us, now would be a great time. Anyone out there that wants to talk to us, use our EMF reader. Don't know if it's fake or real, but that would be really great if you can. If you have committed suicide here, let us know by putting this EMF reader at orange red to let us know that you're here. Fucking hell. My flash is on and I still can't see that. Like, come on, man. Jesus. Huh? Oh. Oh. Hello. Is that you that wants to talk to us? Or is that just a weird...
Oh.
Wait. Do that again if you're saying that you want to talk to us. Do that again if you want to talk to us. Or you just freak... Okay. I don't know if you're real or fake at this point. Is that real or... I don't know, because this is the first time doing paranormal shit. If you have died here or committed suicide, hold on. What if I turn it off and turn it back on? It'll just do its calibrating thing. That's what it usually does. What the fuck? Because there's no electronics other than our phones, so it would be like it only freaks out when our phone's nearby. So, like, did you commit suicide here? Give us a sign using the EMF reader.
It's not the rock.
Was it me doing this? No. So yeah, my thumb wasn't there.
They're gone.
Yeah, they're gone skis. I don't know where they went. I really don't know if they're telling the truth. Can you give us an obvious sign that you have committed suicide here? If you did, let us know by flicking this thing to red. Oh man. Good. What? Yeah. That one. Well, it's not responding anymore, so was it just like a random frequency, or like, I don't know, man, like it's dead. Like if I get it close to my phone, it does nothing. So like this is like proof. This is proof it wasn't just me or anything. It was legitimately freaking out. Like anything? Come on. That's cool. I think that was real. Thank you so much if that was you. Oh.
Oh, radio. Radio.
Wait, really? Yes, thank you. Alright.
Like a memorial. Greater love.
John.
No man than this, that a man laid down his life for his mates. Donated by God's squad.
Okay, if it... Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to place this here. So, if this was you, John, I don't know what your name is, but if you've committed suicide here, can you let us know by, or like, if any spirits are here wanting to communicate with us, please let us know by putting this thing to red or activating it or giving us electricity that's not our phones. Please. If you want to talk to us, let us know. Give us any signs. It has been raining, so you probably hear like water droplets every now and again. Oh man.
They don't even know where you are.
No.
They missed out on this.
Yeah, I don't know if it's freaking out. Like, you guys are gonna tell me, oh, it's fake, it's fake. Well, I don't know. This is the first time I've had this EMF reader. It's like a cheap one, so this is the actual test if it's real or not. I do want to go to like an actual paranormal house that's certified by like the government and shit. Like you can book a private tour and shit. That's the type of thing I want to do with this ghost movement.
Sally.
Yeah, like something like Sally House, The Conjuring, those types of places. But yeah. So if I wiggle that around, it does nothing, so it's obviously real. If you want to come out and talk to us tonight, this is the last chance of you giving us a sign that you're here. I'm really greatly sorry that if this is your grave, that you committed suicide here. You know, I'm going through a hard time as well. I'm really sorry about everything. So can you let us know one more time? If you want to talk to us, let us know. Come on, anything, man. Anything would be great. Anything? Nothing. Alright. Thank you so much for talking to me. If you are real, Alright, thank you so much. Let's continue. Bro, it just hasn't gone off once since then. So I can't tell if that was real or not, because look, it's just doing nothing. So this isn't a real experiment to see if this cheap one, because look guys, I literally purchased the correct one, the one that YouTubers all use. It says like the K2 thing right in the corner here, and like USA in the other corner. But Amazon was like, yeah, we're shipping it to you. It will take until the 5th of July, pretty much today actually. And you know, everything was cool and all, and then all of a sudden, I looked at like the order, and I was like, oh no, something went wrong, and we're taking it back. And I'm like, what the fuck? So I contacted the courier company. I don't know, up to you, which way you want to go. I contacted the courier company, or like the shipping company, and they said, oh no, you need to check with Amazon about that.
That's the Volvo truck.
We need to Slaughter Falls. Yeah, Waterfalls. I'll just put that in my pocket for now. And yeah, and they said, yeah, there's been an issue with the order and they were returning it. I'm like, what the fuck? You paid nearly $50 for it, and it was going to take 2 weeks, and you guys were shipping it fine. It was literally about to come out of America. Legit. About to come out of America, and they're like, nah, sorry, we're pulling it back. Oh, bro, come on. I just want it. So I was like, nah, fuck this. I'm just going to see if I can buy a cheap one. Let's do. Oh. I saw you flicker. So these spirits here wanted to communicate with us. You're welcome to follow us around this location. I don't know if I have to like speak loudly or anything. Whoa, 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 whoa. So that's cool. Like it does like freakishly tap a little bit. Maybe because it's like passing through different things, or, and to be honest, I don't even know where the others are. They've gone on their own adventure. Don't know where. Oh shit! I am keeping an eye on the EMF reader while we're walking. Yeah.
They're not looking behind us. Someone can just run off.
That's true. That's true.
I don't even know if I like this place.
Neither.
Like,
And there's like no service here because of like right up mountain, or we're near Mount Cootha. I expect a light up there. Again, nothing so far. I just see a green light on the EMF ring. Oh yeah, the blue line things on like the roads. I'm just gonna have this on the whole time because I don't know. This is a really weird spot. Like, there's been occasional murders or suicides here, so. And gathering my research, they didn't specify where on the trail. They just said, oh, at this park or trail. So I was like, what the fuck? You gotta be like, you gotta tell us where exactly so we can go visit for ourselves. Come on, anything? I mean, there's got to be a sign somewhere that like someone did die here. Yeah, because it'll be. If I wanted to commit suicide, I would go to the lookout or somewhere high, or. Huh? Oh, This is really scary. In the dark. Huh? I don't know where we're going. I don't know where this is. The EMF still says nothing.
Actually,
if there's any spirits, is there any spirits here that wants to communicate with us? You can by using this EMF reader that we got here. It uses electromagnetic fields or some gibberish for you guys to communicate with us. So I'm like shit at this. So spirits, if y'all here, please let us know. I'm garbage at this.
looks like there's rabbit.
Oh yeah, there's slight scribbles.
Oh, what the fuck?
What? What? Like, holy shit, we're near the airport. What is it? Holy shit.
Chairs up there too.
Huh?
Right there where my shadow is.
Yeah, what about it?
I think that's table and chairs. Jack shit.
Not neither. Oh, over in the distance, yeah.
Starting to creep me out.
Well, this is the whole point.
I'm not scared of ghosts, I'm scared of the group.
Yeah, well, it's 9:27 at night, so we're not near Devil's Hour, unfortunately.
What's that down there? Oh, tree broken.
Yeah, I wish we were. That way it would be more fun, more entertaining for you guys. But we're not. You know, because I had to drive all the way back to Sunny Coast and what?
Right there, in the middle.
Oh, that's like a seat or something. Yeah, be careful because it is sent down. Or it could be a furnace or some sort. Oh yeah, there was a fire pit, so it is like a barbecue area. It's not very well. Oh, whoa! Did you see that before?
No.
Saw it popping off before.
Should have brought my foot on the ladder.
Yeah. If there's anyone here that wants to communicate with us, please let us know by using this EMF reader. Oh.
You know what you could do?
Yeah, see, it's freaking out.
You can actually set your phone up, face it towards you, and say, if anyone here, please show yourself and see if we catch anything behind us.
Yeah, that's true. I need to flip my phone around. Sit it there. Don't know how well this is going to get me. This is what I was wanting to do, but I don't have a like proper phone tripod thing. I did have one, but it wasn't very good. Holy shit, now I know what it feels like to stare at Colby because you can't see shit other than the light in front. So if there's anyone here that wants to communicate with us, let us know by using this EMF reader here that we got going on. Basically it uses electronic frequencies to communicate with us. So like TV appliances, they usually, it goes red because it uses like you know, the science behind it, you know. But I don't know if this is the spot. I literally can't see shit other than my phone light. We're probably not even in frame. Because if I flip it around, we're not going to get my torch.
I can only see to that bit right there. That bit of like
Yeah,
metal
we could
bit.
probably only see, I don't know, feet wise, probably 10 feet in front of us. And all, kind of, well, behind us, I can see.
Behind us is fucking scary.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like, it was freaking out.
some move and speak.
Like, what was it saying? I mean, to be fair, there is a couple of people here. When we came here, there was like
Yeah, but they
another
left.
group. But we don't know where they are. But
They left.
yeah, to go where?
Went back. They literally went past us. The only people out here is Mason and Xanthi and all that.
I want to know what's over there because I can't see what that is.
That's where we were.
There's like a post,
Where? Where are you looking?
like straight ahead.
We were up there.
Right.
We were walking on that trail.
I don't know, man.
I'm not scared what's behind us.
Like, this is dead nothing. You know? I am like freakishly getting scared-ish. I'm gonna try one more time. We're just gonna continue. Like this video, I don't know if it's gonna go successful or not, but this is something I've been wanting to try out. We're probably not even in frame of the camera.
No, you are.
But like it's nothing. Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just you gotta shine your torch at you. You better in my phone. You can't see without the torch facing me.
It's just hard to see, man. Like there's nothing. It was flickering before. I don't understand. Come on, I'll restart it. So that's what it usually does. See how we go. Because look, if I do this, yeah, see, it kind of like sets off slightly. So, like here. Just trying to show you guys, like it actually works.
It's not gonna do it.
Oh really? So now it's not wanting to do it. That's freakishly weird.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if that was a phone or like yeah, that's me like tapping it. So if I do that, okay, so that doesn't really set it off. So it needs to be something specific.
Alright, come on.
Well, we gotta keep going. For some reason, it stopped recording. I don't know what happened there. But we need to keep going. Where the fuck did the others go? Like, dead set. Where did they go?
Oh my god.
What? No way.
Oh my god.
What?
What is that?
What?
Yeah, something's running. Look there.
I don't see it.
Look straight ahead.
I'm looking straight ahead. There's nothing there.
Something just ran across.
I'm sure my camera got it somehow.
It's not a ghost. It's an animal. Oh, animal.
Well, don't freak out like that if it's an animal.
It scared me.
I don't know if that's like a weird bunker thing or. Can you guys tell me what that is? My camera can't really focus that well. Oh, there we are. What the hell is that? Is that like a bunker of some sort? That got died out or... I really don't know what that is.
It's all boarded in. Maybe we should hold it.
I don't know. I like... Huh? Why is that there? I don't even know if they went on this part. I really don't know.
They probably went on the other side.
I really couldn't tell you. Whoa! It was sparking just before.
Look
See-
how weirdly these trees.
Was what? No way. That wouldn't be right, surely. That can't be right. Nah, it's not right. Like a vine thing, like you know in the Jungle Book there's like vines. Yeah, it's just
Are you sure?
Yeah. Let's have a look. It's not a rope. Don't worry. Breaking out too much.
I see a little bit of light up there.
I don't.
Very scary.
Oh, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I'm going to have to like cut it a little bit. Because you guys are probably going to get bored because there's nothing happening. So I'm going to cut it to like where cool bits happened or something interesting.
You got service?
No, I've literally got no service. Like the only thing that it tells me is like the H+. And I did turn airplane on and off. I had to refresh the signal, still the same. Like I did have service for like maybe 10 seconds and then it disappeared again. During the ranges, so why the hell are we going uphill?
The way to sword fields. Oh shit, I wanted to leave exercise. Oh, what am I doing? Right there. Another post.
The post. I want to see like another graveyard thing.
Oh, we're still so far, look at it.
Lookout is 1,700 meters. Fuck me. We're probably not even where the people committed suicide. I don't even know. Like, people research. So I can only find basic research about.
That's definitely them. It's definitely them. Oh shit. Oh, piece of fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Which way? Don't tell me they come this way. I think they're going this way. Not yet. Here they come. They can't see us. What the fuck?
Well, there's some people who are fucking on this last fucking night.
I mean, we can go that way.
No, I can't. Just get it this way.
I mean, Oh, I'm not going to test that theory. Nor do I want to. Just in case I fucking get pushed. Huh? I know. But this would be an excellent spot where someone would commit suicide or something. If there's anyone here, spirit-wise... Oh! It just sparked. Oh! Make this go red if you're wanting to talk to us tonight. Spirits, if there's anyone out here wanting to communicate with us tonight, let us know by using this EMF reader. Did you see it? No, it's like not as good. We definitely need a spirit box so we can actually get like words out. But this is like a normal general test.
I'm focusing into the tree lines.
Yeah.
I can't focus in too much, otherwise my eyes start going up.
Yeah. Yeah, I did it again. Oh. Did you want to talk to us tonight?
Obviously it's not that deep if this tree is in
Yeah, but what I'm interested in is why is it doing that? Is there any spirits here that want to talk to us tonight?
there. Instead of talking to us, they communicate.
Or communicate with us tonight? Can you make it go red, please? If you can, if you're here. Try your hardest to make it go red. Or you don't want to talk to us. It doesn't look like we're gonna get any responses
What's
here.
on the island right there?
I don't know. So I'm just trying to shuffle my phone around so I can hold it properly.
I'm hallucinating. Like this. Oh, good stuff.
Yeah, he's running in the middle of nowhere. Okay. We're gonna go now, but you can still follow us around the park if you like. If you want to talk to us, so that would be good. Like as in using this EMF reader. Yeah, nothing. That's weird. That's really weird. That's what I tripped over. Weird thing. Oh, let's go the way that they went.
Yeah, this one.
So they've done a whole loop. No, already.
No, they're everything that one's way.
Huh? Oh, stick.
What's up?
Oh.
Well, can I try you there?
Yeah.
Hello,
Oh.
it says.
Now this is what I'm talking about. We go up it or nothing so far.
You see anything there? That's creepy as fuck.
Oh, absolutely. Like my phone cannot get everything. I wish it could, but we do have we don't have proper flashlights. I'm sorry.
That's why you take a photo. So you ready? I can get night.
Yeah, I can't take a photo properly. Like a night one. That enhances it. I can just I can only take like a general photo without it. Yeah, that's creepy as fuck. What is that? What is that? That could be just a rock or something.
Let's go up.
Yeah,
first.
go
So
up.
this will be better during the daytime. Because we can actually see.
Yeah. I mean, you're right there. Be careful. Yeah. Nothing. Just nothing.
Just another trail.
Yeah. The point of this is to find out what trail, where exactly was the murder or suicide.
I reckon it's oh, this is just gonna lead us back.
Well, I need to get to the falls.
This way.
Right. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep this on the whole time, what? I did say what the hell is it? But I don't know if it's some deformation of a rock. Because Sam and Colby did do like forest type videos, whether it's shuffling or...
Hold on to the railing.
No, I've got it. And the railing's wet anyway.
What?
The railing is wet anyway.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah, I'll get good. Trust me. If I slip and fall, that will be my fault. So if it's still there, that's obviously like something in the trees.
Yeah, it's still there. No, do night vision. What are you doing?
Oh, you saw that. It freaked out. Oh, is there anyone here that wants to speak to us tonight or communicate with us tonight?
You're a weird mist thing.
How about your breath? Because it's cold enough for that. Oh, it went off again. I don't know if that's because it's your phone. Maybe.
My phone just won't focus.
Was it focusing before?
Yeah.
Are you messing with our equipment?
I'm not even...
So you are messing with our equipment. Do it again.
Look. Look. Ready? Not
Okay.
even moving the phone. It's just not focusing.
Sometimes it does not focus properly.
No. You're not... Look. On my screen.
Yes. I'm looking at your screen.
Well, now you go night vision, eh?
And water droplets. What is that?
I think it's that bush bit right there.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's just a bush bit. I don't know what the time is. Oh, that's not good. Two-way direction and no sign.
Okay.
Alright, surely. If it's just people scribbling, then whatever. If there's any spirits out here that wants to talk to us or communicate with us, please let us know by using this EMF reader here. Use electronic frequencies or electromagnetic frequencies pointed at this thing.
Literally off Blair Witch.
So give us a sign. Make this thing go red, at least. Or orange. If you can do that. Just give us any sign. Oh, see?
We can come back to it.
But I don't know if it's... There has to be something here. If there wasn't anything here, then why would this go randomly off like that? Like, just a little bit. Like it did it again. It only went to green though. What the fuck? Like, I kind of hear water. So I feel like getting closer and closer. What the hell?
What is it?
Whoa!
What is it?
Just went orange.
What?
The thing went orange. I think this is it here. I can barely see. I think this is definitely the waterfall. No doubt.
What's that up there?
I don't know. Okay. I believe this is the waterfall. I think. I've got... Whoa, it just went red before. I don't know if that was true. No, that was my phone. My bad. My bad. Because if I do this... Wait, really? It wasn't? Alright. Okay, if there's any spirits out here that wants to communicate with us, please let us know by using this EMF reader. Make it go red if you like, please, or if you want to communicate with us. I'm terrible at this. I'm really sorry.
And again.
Did you commit suicide here? Just give us one last sign before we start heading home. If you're here, just let us know. Alright, nothing. Alright. Kinda.
Fence thing?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see it there. Oh, you get this. Oh, you went yellow again. Or close to orange. I think. Alright, so we believe this is the lookout. I'm gonna hold it here. I don't know. If there's any spirits out here that wants to communicate with us, please let us know by using this EMF reader here. It detects electromagnetic frequencies of any kinds. So if any spirits out here wanting to communicate with us, just let us know. Try and make this go red if you like, so we know that you're here. Around for a bit. Okay, a little bit. Did you commit suicide here? Well, I don't know. I really don't know. Like, there's people.
It's not really.
You.
Like, if you're being honest, if you had a rope, right? Here?
Yeah.
If you had a rope and you tied it to this or to these things here, you'd still be able to touch the ground.
Yeah. Again, I don't know. Like, just anyway, because spirits can. I don't know. There is animals out here, so don't suspect that. Oh, so everything's gonna be quiet. Would you like to talk to us tonight? If you are here? I kind of said that this place is going to be useless a little bit. Because I don't know the actual spot of the location of where someone committed suicide. Well, this is kind of good because the group is a bit loud. As you might have heard. So I wanted to try and like focus on See if we can get anything out of it. You know, spirits, I don't think they like being loud. People being loud, and they get scared of it. From my understanding, at least. Or it could be a trigger object for the wars. Don't know. So I don't, like, before we end it, I don't think there's anything here. It'll just be like a long walk on the bitumen back to the car. So I'll go through the footage, and if I find anything, if it's worth this video, I'll be posting it, but if it's not, yeah, don't worry about it. Alright, see you later.